How to screen record your Mac screen. First, open Launchpad, open QuickTime Player. You can cancel this. Right-click on QuickTime Player, click New Screen Recording. This toolbar should show up. We got Capture Entire Screen, Capture Window, Capture Selected Portion, Record Entire Screen. Sometimes I'll use Capture Portion, but I usually use Record Entire Screen because then I can just crop it to whatever I want. In Options, we have Save To. Right now it's at QuickTime Player. I like to click Download because then it just shows up right there when I'm done with it. If you use QuickTime Player, it'll show up there. We got timer, none. I've never used a timer. We got microphone, none. External microphone, MacBook microphone. And you'll see none of these actually record your desktop audio. For that, I use this little thing called Loopback. It's a free version, which means you gotta reset every 20 minutes, but it's fine. We also have show floating thumbnail. If you click on that and record something, when you stop recording, this will show up. If you have show floating thumbnail off, then this won't show up. We have remember last selection. I could not find a single clue on what that means. I thought it might save the settings up here, but it doesn't, so I don't know. I would just keep that on anyway. We have show mouse clicks. That would show whenever you click with your mouse on the screen recording. I don't like that, so I keep it off, but this is what it looks like. Then when you're ready to record, you can just click record. You can also click anywhere else on the screen. But if you want to stop your recording, see this little circle with the square in the middle? Yeah, just click that and it'll stop your recording.